to sign in to ByBit account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Now in the search address bar, type down the ByBit and hit enter. Now scroll down and all you have to do is navigate to the official ByBit login page. Now once in there, all you have to do is tap on the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you tap on the login, you'll have to choose your preferred login method. You can enter your registered email address or mobile number followed by your password, or click on the representative icon to log in using your linked or Google or Apple account. So you can see I have made my ByBit account using the Google, so I'll simply tap on the Google and log in. But if you have made your account using email or phone number, then you can simply type down here. So now after you enter the representative social media icon, then you'll have to do this captcha, and once you have solved the captcha, then you'll be logged in to your ByBit account. And that is it. After successful authentication, you'll be redirected to your ByBit dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.